Alright guys, welcome to another yoga story. Today we are reading Sally's Visit to the Farm, and we are visiting an actual farm called Green Meadows Petting Farm here in Frederick, Maryland. So come check it out.
Sam and Sally sat together on the hayride, giggling with excitement. Sally couldn't wait to show her best friend Sam around the farm. "Hold on tight," Sally shouted. "You're going to love the farm." As the tractor bumped down a hill, Sam and Sally waved to a scarecrow. "This is so fun," Sam cried. When the tractor stopped next to a vegetable patch, Sam and Sally climbed down to explore. A row of sunflowers towered over them. "I love sunflowers," said Sally. At the chicken coop near the garden, Sam plugged his nose. "Phew, stinky chickens." Sally scooped chicken feed for the chickens. "Look, there are 4 eggs." She carefully picked up the eggs and placed them in the basket. "Let's go see Farmer Deb," Sally pointed at a red barn. Inside, Farmer Deb was getting Midnight, the pony, ready to be groomed. "Would you two like to help?" she asked. "Yes, please," replied Sally. The children grabbed brushes and took turns combing the pony's back. "His hair is so soft," Sam smiled at the pony. "Thanks, Farmer Deb," they said. A few stalls down from Midnight, another farmer was milking Bessie the cow. "Watch this, squeeze, then squirt," said Sally as she pretended to milk the cow. Sam was amazed. "Sally, you're so cool." Inside the sheep barn, Sally showed Sam how to place the hay into the trough. The sheep munched their food. "That's making me hungry," Sam rubbed his belly. "Let's go check out the pond." Sam took Sally's hand. On the dock, they peered into the water. "A turtle just popped up his head," Sally said. The friends watched as the ducks swam. Frogs hopped and fish splashed. "This farm is my favorite place." Sally took a deep breath and sighed as she watched a rowboat glide across the pond. Sam patted her on the back. Holding hands, Sam and Sally headed toward the last barn. "Hello again, Farmer Deb." Sally stepped out of the way as Deb walked by, pushing a wheelbarrow. "Are those veggies for the farmer's market?" "You got it, Sally." Farmer Deb's face lit up. "We are saving the best for last," Sally laughed as they entered the pig barn. The pigs were grunting and snorting. "Oh, what a mess," Sam laughed. "I guess this is why my mom calls my room a pigsty." "Let's rest in the sun like that cat over there," said Sally. "You were right. I love visiting the farm," Sam said. Sam and Sally lay back on the picnic blanket, pretending to be cats. "Meow," said Sam. "Purr," said Sally.
Thanks for joining us at Green Meadows Petting Farm. See you next time. Namaste.